Traders, August 26, 2018. It's a Sunday. Market's closed. I'm going to give you guys a trading report on AAGC. One of my Penny Wealth trading group members brought this to my attention. I believe it was on Thursday or so. And what she has done is bottom. It just looks like a lot of gold in general has bottomed. But from what I see here, it looks like she has bottomed. If I can take you to a daily, let me take it to a weekly. You'll get a better picture. You see somewhat of a doji right here, or some will call it, I don't know. There's various names. Nonetheless, it's a hammer slash doji at support. Over here to spinning top. It looks like it's trying to turn over and head higher. Now, this is what I call a position trade, meaning it's not a swing trade or a day trade. It'll take a lot more time for it to progress and develop. But this seems like it's her bottom. So if you guys were looking into getting gold, and especially there's an inverse relationship with the markets and gold, and if the markets collapse, gold could head higher. Or, you know, if the markets drop and actually finally creates its bounce that it hasn't so far. I mean, it's been, you know, trading upwards in a sideways trend for quite a while. But if it finally makes its bounce because it's healthy for the markets, we can see gold go higher. So AAGC, it's relatively cheap, trading at a half a penny. And, you know, if the gold does go higher, we can see her do something spectacular. But at the same time, you have to understand this is more of a position trade. So this takes time. It's not a swing trade, even though it could possibly head to a tenth of a penny from 0.005 to a tenth of a penny fast and double your money. But this is what a position trade is. This is something you'll look at maybe 3 months timeline, maybe even a little bit longer. But it does look good. It shows a bottom here. You see the hammer right here with the spinning top. And let me just, crazy trend lines appearing out of nowhere. But let me just show you what this, oh, hold on. My apologies. Let me just show you what the trend lines were looking like, or how would it look right here from this point on. And it's something like this. So this does look like it's bottom. It bounced out of its highs, found support around its lows, and looks like it's going to trail back up. Now you can see 0.002. I want to say within time. It's not going to happen overnight, but it looks like this stock has turned over. The MAC is at its lows. It looks like it's going to start heading in the positive direction little by little, and you can see AAGC do the same. Remember, if you get into this position or into this position, learn how to take profits. First resistance level is 0.002, so I would look to take around profits around 0.0015, maybe 0.0016 around there, and see what she does after that. But remember to capture profits. Nobody goes broke from taking profits. Remember, you can follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher. If you want to take a live trading course with me, please visit my site, thetradingteacher.com. Go to a live trading section course and book your seat today.